Yeah. I guess it's raining, man. Oh, hallelujah. This smile, this towel smells, man. Toby sent her to wash it.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hey. I don't know. That rescue show. That I'm always fine. You fancy. Where?
Huh?
They're gonna tell us something.
Bonnie. Yeah, it started. Ah. Everybody.
Wait, I didn't eat it. Wait, are you doing it?
Wait, what?
Who's doing it?
Oh. Stop. Alright. So, Kayla, what are we doing? Oh, it's Kayla. What are we doing?
Chubby bunny challenge.
Sam, you want to do it too? Because you're just eating marshmallows over there.
I ate one.
We all did. Whoopsie. We're upstairs in our school, and we see all these football players and random guys there. Okay, let's just start. My challenge video gone wrong. I don't even know how to play this. How do you play this?
Chubby bunny. Go.
Okay. Are you playing too?
I guess.
Okay. Chubby bunny.
Can I say chubby wubby?
Chubby wubby.
Chubby wubby.
There you go.
You know you can die from this.
Wait,
Chubby
are you
bunny.
supposed to chew on them?
No.
You're not?
No. So then what do you do with them when you
put
just
them
put them in
in
your
your
mouth?
Chubby bunny?
Chubby bunny. Go, go, go.
Chubby bunny.
Go. Sugar daddy.
I lost, man. I only fit 3.
I only fit 3. Dang, I must swallows a
No, I put 1 on.
the cow. What's going on?
No.
Oh, it hurts.
How many did you put?
It hurts. Right.
She put 6. She put 6. Oh my god.
I
And you
put
put
2.
She put 3. I put 3, and I almost would have started choking.
You want this one?
I mean, I'll show you what I had left over in my mouth, but you know, I ate it, so I would have choked. Where'd she go?
Oh, that's the bell.
It's over.